How's everybody doing? Another day fishing with Zaid. We are at Rust of Winterdam. We haven't been here in a little bit. There was a comp here last weekend. So yeah, we've been here already for about an hour and a little bit, and we've had no fish. One take on a frog, and it's been quiet. So we are gonna go and try a few other spots that we are thinking might be a little bit more active, and see how the day goes here at Rust of Winter.
A few minutes later.
Great.
Oh, that's a nice size of it. Barely hooked.
Finally, first fish of the morning.
On. Big one.
No.
Not bad sizes, Noons.
Nah, these are small, dude. Come on. Oh,
No, but I mean, it's not those little tiny.
oh yeah, it's not tiny fish, but it's small. Not the fish it's. So guys, off camera, just let the camera charge a bit and cool down. Caught myself a nice little fishy whiz.
Oh, Itty secret frog.
That was
Hey, love, sorry, the signal's bad. I said the only one that has my number is a graphic designer. Okay.
Did you see that?
Okay. Okay, love you, bye.
Did you see that?
I saw the hit.
Yeah.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Big one.
It looked big, but it went straight into the thing, and that was it, bro. Just like to give a big shout out to Timols Fishing Tackle for being today's episode sponsor. They've been supporting me for years and years, and yet they keep on supporting. Thanks a lot. I will put a link in the description so you can go and check them out. They're in Nigel. Friendly service, good prices, and always willing to help fishermen out there. So you make sure to go check them out and go buy some awesome stock there. Thanks a lot, and let's keep watching this video, see how the rest of the day goes at Rust of Winter.
And Noons, can you see how big it is?
I don't know.
There's it lying belly up.
I'm trying to check the boat to get closer.
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
We're in the right spot, bro. I was just casting, bro. No, it's not that big, but it's still a nice fish. That's alright.
It's small.
Not small, but I mean it's still.
Okay, thank
You know what I mean? It's a fish. At least you catch. They're here, dude. They're here. They're everywhere.
Jeez, dude.
Now it's a little bit too shallow.
There you go.
Please don't come off. Not big, but flip is in all this mush.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Alright, though.
Yeah, the averages are not too bad. Yeah.
I know. It's like 3 kilos of grass. Camera on. Look, man. But it's a nice still take, you know. Although it's not the one we want. Imagine actually trying to pull a 3 kilo out of there.
Yo, we need arms of steel. But
Yes, we just. Oh!
as you hit into that little spot between the lilies,
Watch, there.
change the color frog in a little bit.
Boom! Yeah. Always like this. You got it. There we go. Yeah. It's decent.
It's a little bit bigger than normal.
Yes.
But they're biting in the
What?
deeper, slightly deeper.
Really?
Yeah, there, from there.